Very good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss about UGC NET exam 2022. The UGC NET exam is conducted twice in a year, and the exam is conducted by National Testing Agency. Candidates, those preparing for UGC NET exam can get various preparation tips to achieve better result. UGC NET exam is a gateway for entrance in teaching profession in colleges, universities and research. Candidates are advised to go through the given below preparation tips and follow them on regular basis to achieve higher result or higher marks in the examination. If we talk about preparation strategy for UGC NET exam, we advise to the student must be aware about NET patterns, cutoff marks, qualifying percentage, etc. The mode of exam is online. Students should not be worried about that. Type of question is MCQ. The test is computer based. Student need to sit in the lab or computer lab in front of the screen to solve their question paper. The exam is conducted twice in a year by NTA. If we talk about minimum qualifying marks for including in the merit list, the candidates belong from general category must secure 40% marks in first paper and 40% marks in second papers. The candidates belonging from OBC, NCL, PWD, ST, SC candidates must secure 35% marks in first paper and 35% marks in second paper to be included in the merit list. There are two agencies which conducting the NET exam. First one, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR NET. This agency conduct exam for the candidates belong from science stream or science background. The second one in the UGC, which conduct exam for the candidates belonging from arts, social sciences and languages background. National Testing Agency or University Grant Commission conduct exam for NET and GRF. The exam is same, but depending on their hierarchy in numbers or marks, will be awarded NET or GRF certificate. The students should know about the full form of NET, National Eligibility Test. If we talk about the NET make the candidate eligible for lectureship in colleges and universities. GRF awarded to the candidate who secure highest marks in the examination, and after getting GRF, candidates can take admission in PhD in any university all over the India and get fellowship of 31,000 for the first 2 years, and the remaining 3 years SRF 35,000. In addition to this, students will also get the HRA for their entire duration, which is about 20% of their fellowship. If we talk about pattern and mode of examination, we can say there are two papers for the UGC NET exam. First paper is common, which carry 50 compulsory objective type questions. Each question is of 2 marks, and the first paper is of 100 marks. Second paper, which have or contain 100 objective type questions, Each question is of 2 marks, and second paper is of 200 marks. And guys, there is no negative marking in this exam, but candidates need to secure minimum 40% marks of the total to be included in the merit list. If we talk about age limit, there is no age limit for appearing in UGC NET exam, but there is a age limit for awarding GRF. It is 30 years for men and 35 years for women and reserve category. If we talk about eligibility, the candidates who want to appear in UGC NET exam should have postgraduate degree in 3+2 examination system and undergraduate degree of 4 years. Candidates belong to general category must have 55% marks, and those who belong from reserve category must secure 50% marks in qualifying exam or qualified exam. All these candidates can appear in UGC NET exam. If we talk about the study plan, so you should make your study plan better to secure higher rank and the marks in the examination. First of all, you go through the syllabus and analyze the syllabus. After that, you search out the resources like books, like other resources. Resource selection is the most important for exam preparation. And after that, you should analyze the previous year's question papers. After analyzing the previous year's question papers, you come to know about which topic is important, which topic is not important, and plan accordingly. Make a list of important concepts and topics and memorize it and learn most of the time about these topics. While you are studying and while you are reading your notebooks, you should prepare short notes which will be very important at the time of examination. You can revise in very short period of time, and also identify strong, medium and big topics depending upon your search. Solve questions. You should solve as much as question you can for the best scoring for the exam. If we conclude in one strip or one line, we can say first and second paper both have a 3-hour time. So you need to finish within 3 hours. There is no more time would be given in the examination, and you have to secure 40% marks to be included in the merit list. If you included in the merit list, top of 6% will be awarded NET, and topmost among them will be awarded JRF, depending on the formula and the criteria adopted by the UGC NET. And the next one is the books, which are the best book for the UGC NET paper first. The first one is Truman's UGC NET SAT journal paper, which is of Truman's publication by Truman's. UGC NET JRF SLAT journal paper first, teaching and research aptitude by Arihant experts. And the third one is NTA UGC NET SAT JRF paper first, teaching and research aptitude by KVS Madan, Pearson Education. And the fourth one, UGC NET JRF Select Journal Paper First Teaching and Research Aptitude Journal Paper by Upkar Prakashan. And I will advise for the first one, which is the most important for your first paper. And if we talk about the papers second, which are the most important books of geography, the candidate who opted geography as an optional subject in the NET exam, he can take the benefit from the list of the books which are given below. First one, the physical geography by Strehler and Steller. It is a most important book for your preparation. Second one, Principle of Geomorphology by W.D. Thornbury. And the third one, Physical Geography made simple, Rupa publisher. It is also good book. And the fourth one, Physical Geography in Diagram by Bennett. You can also take this. Physical Geography by Saminder Singh, which is again the most important book, and it is important because the concept and the method explain in very simple way, so you can take the advantage of the simplicity of the book. Geography through maps by K. Siddhartha. You can also take this book. This also help. Geography of India by Majid Hussain, very known book. India, a comprehensive geography by Kuller. It is also very known book. This book should be with you while you are preparing for your NET exam. If we talk about the climatology by D.S. Lal, it is important book. General climatology by Critchfield, Oceanography by Sharma, Evolution of Geographic Thought by Majid Hussain, Models in Geography by Majid Hussain. These are important books. Economic Geography by Hudson Alexander, Agriculture Geography by Majid Hussain, Human Geography by Majid Hussain, Urbanization, Urban System in India by Ramchandran. Economic Geography and Social Geography made simple, Rupa publisher. A Geography by Population by R.C. Chandra. Regional Planning by Chand and Puri. Environmental Geography by Saminder Singh. It is important. Environmental Awareness by R.C. Chandna. Environmental Geography by Saxena. Political Geography by R.D. Dixit. Agriculture Geography by Majid Hussain. Indian Economy by Dutt and Sundaram.